Do you remember your old school days? Back then, you frequently bought chocolate candies and shared them with your friends. One candy cost $1 at that time. Now you are going to buy that exact same candy from a grocery store, but the price tag shows $2. Why? There is no difference in size, ingredients, packaging, or weight. Then, why the price hike? Well, that is due to inflation. Inflation? What is that? Let's take a look. Inflation is a general increase in the prices of goods and services in an economy over a period of time. When the general price level rises, each unit of currency buys fewer goods and services. Consequently, inflation reflects a reduction in the purchasing power per unit of money, a loss of real value in the medium of exchange and unit of account within the economy. Simply put, inflation is when the price of goods and services goes up over time, meaning your money buys less than it used to. Remember the candy story. 10 years ago, a candy bar cost $1. You have $10, so you can buy 10 candy bars. Now, due to inflation, the same candy bar now costs $2. You have $10, but now you can only buy 5 candy bars. You still have your dollar, but it doesn't get you as much candy. That's inflation in action. It's like your money is slowly losing its superpowers. This isn't just about candy bars, though. It affects everything. From the milk you buy at the grocery store, to movie tickets, even the price of houses. Remember when your grandparents talked about how they could buy a whole bag of groceries for just a few dollars? That's because prices were much lower back then. Over time, inflation has gradually increased the cost of almost everything. Now, a little bit of inflation is actually considered normal and even healthy for an economy. It encourages people to spend and invest. But when inflation gets too high and too fast, that's when problems start. High inflation can make it really tough for people to afford basic necessities. Businesses become hesitant to invest, and the whole economy can become unstable. So what causes inflation? Well, there are a few key factors. One is increased demand. If everyone suddenly wants to buy the latest gadget and there aren't enough to go around, prices will go up. Another factor is increased production costs. If it becomes more expensive for companies to make things, say, due to higher energy prices, they'll often pass those costs on to consumers in the form of higher prices. And finally, sometimes it's related to the money supply. If the government prints too much money, it can decrease the value of each individual dollar, leading to inflation. So there you have it, inflation explained. It's a complex topic, but hopefully this video has made it a little easier to understand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more explainers, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover.